morning. Ken, Tameron here, Tameron Hyundai, Hoover, Alabama. I look forward to meeting you here in a few hours. I wanted to send you this video showcasing the Santa Fe, the SEL with premium package that you also are interested in. Has a bunch of features. It's pulled up right behind me. Let's dive in, shall we, Ken? Still has the diamond cut honeycomb cascading grille. Still has your smart cruise control, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, 19-inch premium alloy wheels, nitrogen filled tires, turn signal, blind spot detection, keyless remote entry. This is your Portofino gray exterior with the beautiful beige and black leather interior. So the SEL with premium has the panoramic roof, just like the Limited you inquired about. It's got the heated front row. It's got the wireless charging pad. It's got all the same safety features, lane keep assist, lane departure warning. The only thing that you're missing, if you will, are the ventilated seats in the front row, the heated second row, the built-in navigation, the heads-up display, the blind spot monitoring camera, and the 360 camera. Everything else this SEL with premium has that the Limited has. So yeah, this is a very, very beautiful vehicle. I look forward to meeting you shortly. I wanted to send you this video in the meantime because it is your Portofino gray exterior with the black and beige leather interior. My cell phone, as you know, 703-505-1598. Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai. You're gonna love the way you're treated.